Hello friend, good morning. I am from Nagpur. My name is Vivek Hakande and I am from engineering background and I want to work as a data science background. And my friend referred me about ETLHive. ETL they provides you a very wide range of courses in data science. There are three types of data science courses. Data science with Python and R, data science with Python, data science with Python and AI, artificial intelligence. So for that courses, they provides you a weekdays batch and weekend batch also. So I got myself enrolled for the data science with Python in weekdays batch. I have been the part of ETLHive in September 2021 and I have been trained by the trainer Vaibhav Bajaj sir. The trainer was very supportive for us to understand all the things. They teaches and tried us to relate all those topics they teaches with real life examples so that we used to understand very well. And thing last and best thing is that it will have is they focus on every student. They focus personally on every student to support each and every student for their studies. They teaches us the programming language like machine learning, deep learning, Python, SQL, etc. They are providing you a coding in the class itself. They teaches all the coding languages and programming languages in the class itself. They gives you a time to practice in the class itself. And the projects are cover topic wise in the class itself and they also gives the solution in class itself. The projects are covered topic wise and the resume preparation is done very well. They also gives you a time to prepare the resume and interview preparation is also done very well, question by question. They also takes a question to train yourself